Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to hide your real name from contact in Alipay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Alipay app. Just like so. Then after you open up your Alipay app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on account right here. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your setting icon from the top side. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on privacy. It's take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on common privacy settings. It's going to take you right here. So at this point here, you can click on hide my real name. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you can do is to simply click on this plus sign. Then select a contact that you want to hide your real name from. So for instance, I'm going to select this particular contact. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on OK. So having had the contact, you can add as many as possible contacts into this particular section. If you want to add more contact, click on this plus sign right here and select the contact. If you want to subtract the contact, click on this minus sign right here to subtract the contact from your hidden of your real name. Then once you are done, simply click on complete from the top right here. Boom, it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to hide your real name from contact in Alipay. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.